Why take a competitive approach towards sustainable development? We know that we live in a world that is full of problems. And that is one reason United Nations has introduced Sustainable Development Goals. But why we are having so much trouble in dealing with these problems? And that's the question I've been struggling with. I'm not a social activist. I'm a guy who supports businesses, help them make money, God forbid. Let's consider corporate social responsibility or CSR. CSR is a business term that contributes to sustainable development. Firms engage in CSR to improve social consequences of their business activities, yet the outcomes of their efforts are inconclusive. The problem lies, in my opinion, the problem lies in the approaches to CSR. A collaborative approach can lead to social value creation, but the awkward reality is that collaborative model doesn't have enough resources to finance necessary changes. Well, we know that only businesses can create resources where profit is a magic term, but this will lead to economic value creation. So, taken individually, either competition or collaboration offers a limited understanding towards the problem solving. So what can be done? In my PhD research, I'm proposing a third approach known as competition. And that is a combination of competition and collaboration to deal with a particular CSR problem. So the key argument is that collaborating with competitors can drive sustainability, create better products and services, and this could lead to what we call shared value creation. My research findings confirm the presence of cooperative relationship in 4 Australian case study firms. For example, service providers of NDIS simultaneously compete and collaborate on various CSR activities. In another example, Smart Work Hubs, which was introduced by New South Wales government in 2012 as a pilot program, now they are in competition. So I'm predicting that these Australian firms will enjoy better financial as well as social performances. In terms of contribution, my study will advance our understanding of competition in CSR by providing new evidence in the context of Australia. And from the practical perspective, the study will provide managers with information while considering competition as a third strategic choice to deal with CSR. So I believe the benefits, the findings of my research will go beyond the firm and will provide some assistance towards progressing a more sustainable society and economy as a whole. Thank you. Thank you.